Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander 2-liter plug-in hybrid GX3h Plus. In automatic with 4-wheel drive, a versatile and efficient SUV offering advanced hybrid technology, practicality, and a comfortable driving experience. From the side, this SUV stands out with its 18-inch alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and practical roof rails, enhancing both style and functionality. At the rear, it boasts LED taillights, a sporty rear bumper, and rear parking sensors, ensuring safety and ease while reversing. Powered by a 2-liter petrol engine combined with a 12kWh plug-in hybrid system, the Outlander delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. At the front, the Outlander features a bold dynamic shield grille, sleek headlights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a modern and stylish look. Step inside to experience a refined black leather interior with heated front seats and a driver-centric cockpit. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, lane assist, keyless start, and electric folding mirrors for enhanced convenience and safety. The spacious rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort, making long journeys more enjoyable. The flexible seating arrangement ensures practicality for passengers and cargo. The Outlander provides a generous boot space, perfect for family trips or carrying extra luggage. The power tailgate ensures easy access to the load area. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration DU16AOX to book a test drive or request a video tour.